Welcome to a new video of Dutch Crafting Studio. I'm making a life-size model of a Formula 1 race car. Oh shit, what happened to the light? Ah yes. I made the front wing and the nose of the Formula 1 car. Oh shit. No, nothing. Well, I'm gonna stand outside right now then so you can see how big it's gonna be. I put it on the ground, maybe you can see it better then. Alright, this one has to this way. It's gonna be bigger than this. This is going to be the Formula 1 race car. I hope you will like it. It's gonna take a long time to make this, so yeah. It's gonna take a long time, but eventually I will get my Formula 1 race car. I'm gonna design it how I want it, so yeah. I hope you like it. I will hold it in my hands right now. Side view. Alright. I'll see you in the next video, you guys.